Hey.
Your demise.
Oh no!
What are you doing? Oh my goodness.
You keep biting me like that, I will not play with you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Eat that!
Eat that? What do you want? That was a good one.
She is so angry.
What's that?
Ma'am.
Okay.
You want me?
Yeet!
Besties. This one's mean as fuck. You can hear me. Oh my god! What the fuck? She looks the fuck down. Ripley.
Max, I knew you was.
Nice long body, perfect form, beautiful teeth.
Bruh.
Why, thank you.
Somebody once told me the word.
What are you working on? Oh!
Smells it. Ah!
về con.
Seriously, this cat's a little stupid.
We have to do pictures so that you can go get adopted. No.
Don't eat my plants.
Cheeseburger?
That's the last thing she needs.
Tell me you have a golden retriever without telling me you have a golden.
May I have your smelly bird?
Ooga.
Is that he doesn't know that I'm talking to him. I'm not just talking like that.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Wow. Wow. This is just wow.
Don't bite his tail.
Easy surprise.
Comet, I love you.
Bitch. Yeah.
Yeah, I love you.
Okay, come on.
Jeez. Okay, okay.
Stop. Dude. Give me the... Please. Oh my God.
Wait till you see this. Wait.
Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay. Okay.
But to see him laugh about it, that wasn't cool, and I just thought it was important.
Stop, you're scaring me. You're Huh?
How can I be homophobic? My bitch is gay.
Don't do it. I'm so vulnerable right here.
Shark, you hungry?
Get out.
My boy.
Excuse me? Excuse me? George! George!
May I have your smelly bird?
Oh no.
Your demise.
Oh, that's good.
Shimmy.